Here we come to the elevator at Katherine Harper Hall, Appalachian State University in Boone, North Carolina. I believe this is either an ESCO or Southern. Oh, I love that chime. Oh, we're gonna have an epic motor on this.
Hello?
How are you doing, sir?
I'm good. You?
I'm doing good as well. And here it is. Oh, we got a fan in here, so we probably might not hear the motor. 2. Barely works. Check this out. It's got the old bumper, and you can also ring the bell. Cool. Just your standard elevator. There's no certificate in here. Oh, it's Eastern Elevator. I never heard of that brand before. Eastern, I never heard of that before. These are your GAL fixtures. Anyway, I'm not going to film all the elevators here in this campus because, for one, I'm low on time, and second of all, a lot of elevators are nothing so exciting. Ring the bell. Watch it close. That fan was really loud. I can't even hear them. I could hear the motor a little bit, but not much. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.